Okay, now that all our pieces are cut, we need to sand them to the line so they are all even and are to the right size to proceed with the gluing. So now we are on the belt sander and we got our sections to sand. So I'm going to make sure I sand all the way to this point. I'm going to position the piece of timber against the guard, and then I'm going to slide it through forward. I'm going to hold it gently and the machine is going to do the work. Now they're all evenly sanded and can start with the fitting process. For the fitting, we are going to position the short pieces on the inside and the long pieces on the outside. So we get kind of like almost like a square shaped box. And we also need to make sure that the groove that we have matches on all sides, so it's all facing up. So what we're going to do is, with the pencil, we're going to proceed to mark the pieces so we know which pieces go with what. So I'm going to make a line here and say this is number 1, and then make a line across the 2 pieces, and this is number 2, and make a line across these other 2 pieces. This is going to be number 3, and a line across these 2 pieces, and this is going to be number 4. So we know which side belongs to which side. So now one of these will need to have the top piece cut off, and this is because we are going to put this top piece on top of the sliding top. So we're going to, I selected this one and we're going to put it on the bench hook and cut it off. And we need to save both parts, okay? Because this part is going to be very important to put on top of the lid. So now when you assemble it, this side is going to be the side where the lid is going to come through. Before you start gluing, you're going to have to clean these little pieces of hairs to make your surface nice and easy. So just grab a piece of fine grit, it could be 120, to take off those little pieces of timber sticking out like little hairs. You're gonna have to do that with all the pieces. Don't do it too much, it's just gently, so you keep a very sharp edge for the gluing to be of a good quality.